In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bolt.new tools to GitHub. Whether you're just starting out or you have some experience, integrating Bolt.new with GitHub is an excellent way to manage your projects and streamline your workflow. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First and foremost, make sure you have your project open in Bolt.new. If you're not already familiar with Bolt.new, it's a great platform that supports efficient project management and coding tasks. Whether you're currently in development or all set to start something fresh, having your project open is the first crucial step. Now, once you have your project open in Bolt.new, you'll want to look for the Git or GitHub icon in the sidebar. Typically, this can be found on the left-hand side of your screen, but it could vary slightly depending on updates or your personalized setup. If you don't immediately see this icon, another route is to go through the Settings menu. Within Settings, you'll usually find options related to version control, and that's where GitHub settings live. Once you've found your way to the GitHub options, it's time to select Connect GitHub. This step is essential because it sets the groundwork for further integration by linking your Bolt.new account to your GitHub account. After selecting this, you'll be prompted to authorize Bolt.new on GitHub. Don't worry, authorizing is a straightforward process. By doing this, you allow Bolt.new to interact with your GitHub repositories. It's a necessary step for enabling the seamless transfer of your projects. Just follow the prompts and be sure to allow access when the authorization window appears. With authorization complete, you'll have two options to consider for managing your project repositories. The first option is to create a new repository. This is ideal if you're starting fresh and want to ensure everything is neatly organized right from the get-go. Alternatively, if you have an existing repository related to your project or workflow, you can simply connect to that. Connecting to an existing repository might be beneficial for ongoing projects, where you've already established a codebase but now want to introduce Bolt.new's features. Having made your decision and selected the appropriate option, the final move is to click Push to GitHub. By pushing the project, you're effectively uploading it to your designated GitHub repository. This is where all the coding magic happens, allowing for collaboration, version control, and the ability to track changes over time. Congratulations, you've successfully added Bolt.new tools to GitHub. With this setup now complete, you're well equipped to handle project collaboration more efficiently and take advantage of the powerful integration between Bolt.new and GitHub. Happy coding!